Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 110 cubic centimeters carburetor is probably one of the most important components of your 110 cubic centimeters engine, responsible for the precise mixing of air and fuel for optimal combustion. A well-functioning carburetor ensures your engine runs smoothly, starts easily, and delivers peak performance, while a malfunctioning one can lead to poor fuel economy, difficult starting, and even engine damage. Today, we will delve into the critical aspects of selecting the right 110 cubic centimeters carburetor for your specific needs, helping you make an informed decision to keep your engine running at its best. Number 5. ALL-CARB PZ22 Carburetor. This carburetor is a perfect replacement for your ATV, dirt bike, or go-kart. It's designed to improve performance and ensure a smooth ride. It's compatible with 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters engines, making it suitable for many popular models. Check the specifications to ensure compatibility with your machine. It's a great replacement for many Chinese brands, including Taotao, Baja, and more. It also works with some Honda models. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. You get the carburetor, air filter, and fuel filter. It features a horn-type air inlet for stable operation. Bolt hole spacing is 48 mm, intake diameter is 19 mm, and air filter mount is 35 mm. It ensures efficient fuel burning for a smoother, more powerful engine. Enjoy improved performance and a better riding experience. What we like. It comes with an air filter and fuel filter, saving you the hassle of sourcing them separately. If you need a reliable replacement for your ATV, dirt bike, or go-kart, this is a great option. Its horn-type air inlet ensures a stable working state, making it perfect for various terrains and conditions. What people say. This item installs and functions perfectly. This perfectly fit a Jincheng Lynx 50 that I'm guessing is around 2002. So far this uniquely Chinese lil bike has been difficult to find parts for, but this carb worked great. Worked great, went right on, fired right up out of the box. Only thing I needed to do was tighten the throttle cable in the middle where there was an adjustment on our ATV. Has more power and runs better than it did new. Number 4. PZ22 Carburetor Kit. This carburetor kit is a perfect choice for upgrading your 110 cubic centimeters or 125 cubic centimeters engine. It's designed to improve performance and efficiency. It fits a wide range of popular Chinese-made pit dirt bikes, including SSR, Taotao, and many more. Check compatibility before purchasing. It boasts a 22 mm carburetor, an air filter, and an intake pipe. The mounting hole distance is 48 mm, outlet is 22 mm, and air filter side is 40 mm. The kit includes everything you need for a straightforward installation. It's designed for easy integration with your existing setup. Experience improved throttle response and increased power with this upgrade. It's a great way to boost your bike's performance. It's compatible with various models, including SSR 110, SSR 125, CRF 50, and many ATVs. Please verify compatibility with your specific model. What we like. This carburetor boasts a 22 mm outlet, enhancing airflow and performance. It's compatible with a wide range of Chinese-made pit bikes and ATVs. If you're looking for a simple and effective upgrade for your 110 cubic centimeters or 125 cubic centimeters bike, this is the one for you. Number 3. NIBBI PE22 Carburetor. This high-quality carburetor is perfect for your 125 cubic centimeters to 140 cubic centimeters motorcycle engine. It's designed for a precise fit and reliable performance. It's compatible with many popular models, including Apollo, SSR, and Taotao. Check the dimensions to ensure it's the right fit for your machine. It comes with 3 main jets, 1 slow jet, and an easy-to-follow installation manual. Everything you need for a smooth installation. The anodized surface resists rust, and it's made from high-quality materials for long-lasting durability. Plus, it offers improved fuel efficiency. The flange has a 48 mm 2-hole distance, and the air filter side has a 46 mm outer diameter. Make sure to compare it to your old carburetor before ordering. We stand behind our product. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a replacement or refund. We're here to help. What we like. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last. It comes with multiple jets for precise fuel adjustment. If you prioritize quality and performance, this is the perfect choice for your 125 cubic centimeters to 140 cubic centimeters motorcycle engine. Number 2. PZ22 Carburetor for Kazuma Baja. It fits a wide range of brands and models, including Tautau, Sun-L, Kazuma, Rokita, and more. This ensures it's a versatile option for many riders. It works with various 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters ATVs, dirt bikes, and go-karts. Check to see if your model is listed for compatibility. It delivers increased power and improved fuel efficiency compared to your old carburetor. Experience a noticeable upgrade in your vehicle's performance. Make sure your old carburetor looks just like the one in the pictures before replacing it. It's designed for a straightforward installation process. The kit includes everything you need for installation, the carburetor itself, plus fuel lines, filters, gaskets, and an air filter. Everything is included for a smooth installation. This carburetor is not compatible with Honda XR50 or CRF50 models. Please double-check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This high-performance carburetor offers increased power and fuel efficiency. It includes a 35mm air filter for optimal airflow. If you're aiming for a noticeable performance boost in your Kazuma, Tautau, or Sun-L ATV, this is a great pick. What people say. This was an exact match for small quad I was working on. Bolted it in and fired right up. Perfect fit and function. I work on a lot of stuff, not very often does a carb function correctly out of the box, this one did. In my case, it was a very easy and straightforward bolt-on with very minor modifications needed. It has no instructions, but it's literally two 10mm bolts and a slip of the throttle cable. No adjustment was needed. Fired right up. Number 1. PZ22 Carburetor for ATVs. This PZ22 carburetor is a great replacement for your 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters ATV, go-kart, or moped. It's designed for a smooth, reliable ride. It works with a variety of brands, including Tautau, Honda, Kazuma, and more. Check if it's compatible with your specific model. Specifically, it's compatible with Honda CRF50F and CRF80F models from 2004 to 2013. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. It has a 20mm inner diameter and a 48mm mounting center-to-center distance. These precise measurements guarantee a secure and proper installation. Use it on your 4-stroke engine ATVs, dirt bikes, quads, go-karts, and UTVs. It's ideal for Chinese ATVs under 125 cubic centimeters. You might also find it listed as a 110 cubic centimeters or 125 cubic centimeters carburetor. We offer an 180-day warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It fits a wide range of 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters Chinese ATVs and go-karts. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. If you value ease of use and a reliable product with a solid warranty, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The PZ22 carburetor is designed for 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters engines, including models from Tautau, Sun-L, Kazuma, and Baja. Perfect for ATVs, go-karts, mopeds, and scooters, this high-performance carburetor ensures smoother rides and better fuel efficiency. With easy installation and enhanced performance, it's the ideal upgrade for your 4-stroke engine. Once on they work like a charm, just had to rig up the air filter with a spacer since I had to use my old OEM filter. Install took less than 5 minutes. Once in it runs great and zero issues. This fit my son's Chinese ATV 125 cubic centimeters perfect and wasn't hard to install either. And it was my first time ever doing something like that. Now it fires right up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.